YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Miko the Entrepreneur. I'm back. We got a good one today, y'all. I got a big house to wash. It's really two houses. It's a like a probably, I want to say 900 square foot house or less in the backyard, and it's like a probably a 2,000 or better, probably 2,000 and something square foot or better square foot house in the front, you know, the main house. So you remember the other video the other day when I was at the other house, when I was telling y'all I had never been there. When my hoses had blowed out, I'm about to go to hot wash. I gotta make a pit stop first and get me another hose, and I'm gonna see if they got another turbo nozzle, because the one I've been using, I think it's messed up on me, man. It probably went out on me. I ain't used it in the last couple of jobs, and I've been feeling like my work ain't one. But without my turbo nozzle, I feel like it ain't just super, you know what I'm saying, clean like I want it. So I'm definitely about to go get another turbo nozzle. If they don't have it, I'm going to Home Depot or Lowe's. One of them gonna have it. But we definitely going to get this turbo nozzle before we go to this job. So y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wifey gonna meet me out there. Y'all know any big job I got, wifey gonna be there. These little basic little jobs I can do on my own. When I need help, my wife coming. That's what she work. That's what she do. That's her position, to help me when I need help and to scout for work. Go to these commercial properties, present our services. Go to, you know, I deal with the residential things, and she deal with the commercial. And like outside of the area that we normally promote in, she promoting the areas outside of the areas that we usually promote in. So everything running good, y'all. Stay tuned. We on the way right now. I'm in traffic, y'all. I'm in traffic. So let me get off of this phone. Let me get to this destination, and I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of what it look like in this spot where I get my stuff from. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna do too much vlogging in there, videoing. I'm just gonna show y'all around a little bit, show y'all what I'm getting, and I'm in and out. That's it, y'all. Stay tuned. Y'all, I was so in a rush to get the stuff that I needed that I forgot to show y'all what it looked like on the inside, but I did get my turbo nozzle. I'm still here. As you can see. There's somebody over there right now with a big trailer. He's filling up on SH and all that. So, but I got my turbo nozzle, and I'll show y'all what else I got. I got my I got another 50-footer hose too. Went on to connect my ball valve. Got a DN10 ball valve. I'm gonna have to rethread it, but it's cool. And I filled up on SH. Got the little one filled up, 24 gallons. We good. And let me show y'all what else I picked up. And then we out of here. Let me show y'all how much I paid for this turbo nozzle. $74. Put that in there. The other one, I got this blue one. It went out. It still worked, but it blow out soft. I need that power, man. You know what I'm saying? And I picked up me some surfactant, some lemon dance and surfactant. It's like it's like that what everybody use that eliminator is just like that. It smells just like it. It reacts just like it. It's perfect. You know what I'm saying? So we got what we need, y'all. So let's ride, man. Let's rock out. YouTube, we here. I'm about to show y'all what this thing look like. All right, we got to do each one of these all the way down. You can see they got This stuff ain't, she said it been done before, but it's been a while. So I'm gonna tighten all that up. We ain't gonna touch this wall at all. She want this stuff to grow. She said the last pressure washer she had kept blowing it off, like, so she got rid of them and hired us, she did. So we ain't gonna touch none of this, but we gonna hit this. All of this going up, each one of those. Gonna hit all of this. Touch all this little area up. I'm gonna move this little stuff over so I can really, clean it. All right. Each one of these getting hit. Got all them down there. Let me show y'all this house. Beautiful day, nice neighborhood. Peace, man. I've been through so much, man. I enjoy this, man. I need this little peace. I've been through a lot in life, man. I need this peace. We about to clean this up. It's 32. You can see it. Them the stairs. Moss thick down there. I got something for it, though. I got something that's gonna kill you, buddy. You're gonna die. See, I'm gonna have to tape this door up. Before I wash this house, I'm taping this door up because it look like it got a stain on this wood door. I'm definitely taping that up. Definitely. Even if I'm wrong about it being a stain, it look like it. It's got a nice gloss on it. Yeah, that's getting taped up for sure. Look at that. Dirty all the way up. Each one of those dirty. Move this stuff off of here. Look at that. Look at that. Man, my vlogs be mini movies, y'all. Y'all can kick back and relax. Go grab you some popcorn. Grab you a beer or whatever that makes you comfortable. Because we about to get it popping. I shoot many movies, man. I don't just shoot vlogs. All this getting moved over. Let's go around. See what our side's looking like, y'all. Dirty. Dirty. Like we like it. And this is Hardy plank. Hardy board, however you want to call it. We about to clean that right on up. Yes, sir, Risky. Let's go take a look at it. I'm gonna tell her she got a window open in that front. I need that to get closed. I ain't even gonna have to use my big chemical for this job. I can downstream out my 5 and knock this out. See that window open? I need that to be closed. I need to move that. Take them pillars off of there. Yeah, oh, they getting cleaned up. Get your Google pages right, y'all. They about to move. They about to leave and move these cars and stuff. So we gonna be kind of in the yard. You know what I'm saying? In a minute, we're gonna be bad. That we gonna be in a total different position than what we is right now. Yeah. That sun beaming good, y'all. I'm trying to get a good angle for y'all to see how dirty this house is. It's dirty, look. You can see that. You can see it. I'm gonna pull these. Well, I'm gonna move them because we gotta clean these up too. I'm gonna move these out the way when she put that car in the garage on the street or whatever. I'm gonna move it so I don't want them track hands in the way while they doing whatever. We're gonna clean this up. All this getting cleaned up. This. All that's getting clean. I'm gonna spray my mix on that just to make it, you know, clean it up. All right, y'all. We gotta do all this. That's why I was telling y'all. It's like a whole nother house back here. This is nice. This is what I want. Something like this. Put my kids back here. Y'all got y'all own house back there. For real. This a goal for me. This how I want my house designed. But I want concrete. If I can have this was concrete and I can pull my truck back here to a shed or something back there. This would be another land back here, man. For real. Real, man. We finna clean all this up. Move all this stuff. Move all this. Get moved. Let me show y'all this and I can move this stuff and do what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? This house, we gotta clean this up right here. So I'm gonna move all this stuff. She said she ain't really worried about this stuff. We're gonna clean all this up. I don't think we're gonna do nothing in there. We're gonna spray around this though. Real good. Wash it down. Clean everything up real good. Let me get some pictures. And I'm gonna be back, y'all. Wifey calling. Let me get this, y'all, and get situated, and I'll be back.
What's up, YouTube? We back out here again. I'm shift. Gonna get ready to start doing this house.
Turbo nozzle doing magic, boy. Get all this touched up. We're gonna start right here. And then work our way up. Work our way up, y'all. We about to get into all of this. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Green. Bye-bye. We about to kill you. Ah. We're gonna do all the concrete first, and then we're gonna wash the houses. See how it's getting everywhere? It's gonna get dirty before it get clean, that's a fact. The best $75 I done spent all year on this business. Oh God.
Clean these up. Rinsing them down.
I had to hook my tank back up because I found my bypass line filling the water tank up fast and overfilling it. I had my line right here coming straight to the pressure washer, and it was constantly just filling up the tank. I gotta use this water tank because it's gonna it ain't gonna do tighten this up real good. Yeah, it ain't gonna run out. We're gonna keep the water coming in, it's gonna keep running. I got a Hudson float valve in my tank. Let's get back to it. We made all the way to the back right here. We tighten all this up. We gonna work all the way down. Yeah, that started on this. And I told him to go to touch everything up along the way. We finna do all the concrete first. We finna go to touch all that up real quick. Then I'm gonna move my truck. Before we start washing this house, I'm gonna move my truck just so I know we got enough hoses to I'm gonna tell her to help me move that. I know we got enough hoses to wash the house, to get around everything, to get back there. All behind that, you know what I'm saying? We don't miss nothing. We don't halfway wash nothing. We ain't finna skip nothing. We got more than enough. I like to have more than enough than not enough. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna knock this one out first, then we're gonna touch that one up back there too. Don't ask me how much I charge for this job. I never tell what I charge. Cause everybody charge different, but it ain't cheap. We're about to start washing this house. Got all this cleaned up. I'm gonna rinse it down again. When I'm done, we're about to start washing in the front and on this side over here. I'm gonna start over here though. I'm gonna start over here and work my way around. Let's go. I repositioned the truck too. Part right here. I know I got enough holes to get all through here. Tighten all that up when I did this. I'm about to come through. I even hit all that and that. Let's get it. Y'all, I couldn't find my, I usually have some stuff to keep those covered up with, but I'm gonna spray it down real good before I start, and I'm really gonna kind of spray around this area right here. I'm gonna spray around that. I ain't gonna even put no SH on this door at all, around this at all, but I'm gonna water it down real good, so if any of it do get on it while I'm cleaning this, it'll roll right off, and I'm gonna come right back and rinse it anyway. So We about to start washing the house right now. I'm pre-rinsing everything. Now I'm about to apply the chemical now. Pre-rinsed, you can see that stuff going. I'm about to rinse the front, and then I'm gonna apply the chemical right here, and then the whole front. By the time I get done applying the chemical in the front, all this will be gone. Watch, all this gonna be gone. All that mold and mildew, all this is about to be gone. When I apply my chemical over here, and I come back from rinsing, from doing the front, this is gonna be gone. Watch. Why would I tell you? Look it up. I'm about to show y'all some magic. Right here. I'm about to go rinse the front, y'all. And then I'm gonna come back, apply the chemical from right here on around to the front. When I get done applying the chemical to the front and I get back over here, this will be gone. I promise you. Watch. I think this was the plug to their camera box or something. Just tie a bag around it. Safety protection, man. Do a little tester spot just to make sure everything good. I'm trying to be peeling no paint. But I'm about to start applying the chemical to this side and go around to the front. By the time I get back over here, this will be gone. Watch. I'm about to go apply to the front now, y'all. Hey, just pulled back up when I got us some lunch real quick. I'm about to apply to the front. Then I'm gonna come back and show y'all that that's gonna be gone. Watch. I'm going to apply the chemical to this side too, y'all. Let this side be dwelling while we rinsing the front and that other side down. I bet you that other side clear. I bet it's clear. Come on. Getting all this house right here soaked real quick with my chemical. Y'all can see that house is clean, everything. I'm about to go and rinse right now. We're about to go and rinse all that down, but I'm gonna apply the chemical over here. By the time we get done rinsing with that, I'm just gonna rinse all this down. And we'll be really done. I'm gonna touch up these little right here, just to throw it in, just because they, you know, they good customers. I'm gonna look out on, I'm gonna do that for free. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we rinsing all of this. Everything getting rinsed down. All of that up through there clean, getting rinsed down. I had to really control spray the white part around this because I ain't want to get the screens dirty. I ain't want to get nothing dirty on the inside of there because it's locked and I wouldn't have been able to get another clean nothing. And y'all know what that would have led to, a callback. I don't like callbacks unless they calling me back to do some more work. Not no work that I messed up on. All of this soap It's soaking right now. By the time she get done doing that, she gonna come over here and just go rinsing crazy on everything. This whole little house is soaking. Really, all this stuff is soaking. Clean up in here. I need to spray again a little bit right there, but I'm finna go put my pump up. I'll come through with the pump up sprayer. I got a couple of little spots I need to touch up. The pump up sprayer, get it? See all of this? I need to come through with that pump up sprayer and hit that. So let me get on my job real quick, y'all, and we'll be right back. We'll be right back. Rinse everything from right here on around there to that back side and over there. And we done. I'm about to do my little touch-ups like I was gonna do. But we done though, all this clean. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like in a second. I gotta do some touch-ups right up in that area right there. And over here. Be right back. Hit all that with that pump up sprayer. Clean that up real quick. Watch it change in front of your eye. Why this? Oh, looking good though. Making this thing look new. They rinsing everything down. Let me come by you real quick, babe. Come back over here. There's a little spot right here. I'm about to touch all this up with the pump up sprayer. Control spray. I don't want him to get in that screen and mess up nothing inside of there. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna control spray all of this. I know. Get a soft wash system, man. Just get us a. I will when I feel like it. You know what I'm saying? Clean all that up. Look at that. Oh, it's coming clean already. Stuff get strong on you, boy. Get strong on you. All right, y'all, I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. Then we're gonna come back over here and just spray everything back down. It's looking good, blending right on in with everything else. Cause I ain't hit it with the downstream mix, cause it would have splashed everywhere. But I just hit it with my pump up sprayer, and everything is looking like I want it to look. Alright, y'all. We about to get this thing rinsed down, y'all, and then we'll be back and show y'all what it look like. Making our way on around and to the other side over there, on the other side of the garage, and we done. I'm about to show y'all what this thing look like in a minute, man. I'm proud of my wife. She getting better and better. Better and better. All right, y'all, we all done. This what we got. Looking good. That's where we started at from the beginning. That's what we looking like. Got all it cleaned up. Once again, she want that to grow. She ain't want that clean. Told me to leave it alone. Clean this on up. Here it up. You can see it good now. Slide this back where it was. Damn, look it up. Look better now. Sit down and chill on this area now. You know what I'm saying? Told y'all we were gonna get rid of all that. See this side over here. Look at that. Clean. I'm gonna come over here and spray this side down one more time before I leave. Just give it one more rinse. But for the most part, it look good. Clean. I'm gonna rinse it down one more time because I rinsed down the whole house again except this side. But I'm about to rinse it down, wrap up, we out of here. Show y'all this back area. Proud of this. I know my work. I'm very confident in my work. I be pretty much knowing I'm finna A1, you know, whatever. All that moss gone that was down there. Steps clean. I touched this door. I kept this door sprayed down with water the whole time. I ain't want no SH to dry up on that, really get on it at all. Poles looking good. Let my tank fill up. Oh, this clean. This little area cleaned up. Tighten all this up. That dough is looking better. Got all this still clean. I have to come through, touch up that window. I see a couple spots I need to touch up. I know if I see it, my customer gonna see it. All of this cleaned up good. Clean this up. Got all that cleaned up. That's what they was concerned about, all that. We got all that cleaned up. Had to come back through with my pump up spray and touch all them poles up. But they look good. Oh, this is clean, y'all. I had to put my pump up spray on it so I wasn't getting that dirty in there. Cause this locked. Can't get another clean it up if I did. Had everything clean, no streaks on the window. All that cleaned up real good. Clean all that up real good. I love this house. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This is exactly how I want, what I want for my house. Except I will get my concrete poured. You know what I'm saying? Where I could I got to be able to pull my truck in the backyard. I got to. Babe touched all that up. She insisted on doing that. Got the shower cleaned up. Thing ready to be used, I guess. Oh, they cleaned up. Real good, too. All back up through there. I ain't gonna go back all up through there, but y'all get the point. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. The whole time I've been here, I had just realized that this was a tree house. It's cool. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. I'm about to get me some pictures, touch up what I gotta touch up real quick. And I'm out, y'all. Y'all have a good one.